What's goody? Bam, it's your boy. So, throughout the week and weekend, I sat there, procrastinated, did absolutely nothing. Am I proud of myself? No, but I am proud to say that finally snapped out of it. Told ourselves we were going to do what we needed to do on Monday, on Sunday night, Monday, and we're doing it. And we will continue to do it. We're going to continue to execute and just kill everything we're doing. Wrote our goals down, wrote our monthly goals down, wrote everything. We literally just sat there and said, what do we want to do this month? Sat there, bam, okay, we're doing this. Okay, let's do it. That's it. It's that simple. So, went in, did that. Now, we have our goals, we know what we're going to do. And I twisted my hair. I spent the last 12 hours twisting my hair. Yes, 12 hours. I've never twisted my hair before, so don't hate. It's messy. Majority of the twists, the rope twists aren't, two-strand rope twists aren't even. Like, in the back, y'all don't even want to see the back. Don't get me started on the back, bro. Anywho, getting in everything, just like how we usually do. Our weekly analysis. We are not trading this week, but still, it's important to keep that consistency. I am opening an FTMO demo account, 200K, just to keep that flow of like, okay, we're still in the game, even though we are waiting on our payout on Wednesday. The only probable day to trade, though, this week would be Thursday. This month, there's a lot of high impact news. Third week of October is a great trading week. Second week, okay. Last week, no way. See how it rhymed? So, let's just get into everything. Yeah, our weekly analysis, what we're expecting from bias, and yeah. So, no, I have not looked at these charts at all week, so I have no idea what's our weekend. So I have no idea what's going on besides the fact that we broke daily structure to the downside. There you go. So right now, price is just dropping. I put a simulated 1 minute trade somewhere about here just for fun. I don't know why. It was like this. See, if we were risking 3%, we would have been up. We would have passed a phase. Who knows? I'm joking. Because that's not proper math. You would have passed the phase evaluation at a 1 at 2.5. Do the math. You're a trader. Anywho, let's get into everything. Oh, if hourly broke structure here, that would be a good entry too. Oh, hourly's gonna break structure in a minute. I think we should enter. Trade London session. Anyway, dang, it's cold. I'm too lazy to put on a hoodie. So, let's go on our weekly time frame. Get this weekly analysis down. And yeah, see what we're expecting. So, what do we see? Just, do we need, we can full screen. If we do, I want this. Okay, perfect. I had a little too bar. So, let's actually look at the chart. Let's see what's going on. Just for simplicity, for everyone right now, let's go on the line chart. Bam. Let's see what's going on. Okay, we just broke weekly structure back to the downside. What I would expect to see after breaking structure here and here is maybe even a potential break of structure here. I could see possibly this week. Or a retracement to take out this liquidity and continue to move back to the upside. But do I think that would happen? No, primarily because of the market we're in right now. Entirely bear market. So we've been just dropping for the past 150 days, which is not surprising. It's as expected after we reach all-time highs in around May, April. Slowly been making our way back down, taking out those highs for more liquidity back to the downside. So yeah, that's weekly. Let's go on daily. Let's see what we see. even that with daily, I think we could really just see that break of structure somewhere eventually within this week. I really think we break weekly structure here, we're now in an overall macro downtrend. Um, some people like to be like, "Oh, Lonnie, we're still bullish because let me do this because ooh, ooh, I learned from Mamba FX, and we're still in an uptrend because we haven't broken structure. Don't worry, I learned from Mamba FX too. Trendline breakouts. If you think about it, this was one giant trendline breakout. Price was like boop 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 boop. So maybe Mamba is right. Anyway, in all actuality, yes and no. Sure, if you want to say that, sure. But we broke weekly structure back to downside. All that momentum, there's no way we don't continue pushing downward. That's just how it is. Sorry, that's how price action moves. That is literally just how price action moves. They come up, take out liquidity, and make the overall move, which is exactly what happened here. Go here. What happened? We were pushing down. Price came back up, took out liquidity, resting above these highs and these highs, made its overall move back down. We have been bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days straight. That's a week straight of bearish action. If we would have held our trade, do you know how much we would have been up right now? Oh my gosh. Our entry was like that. We literally would have been up. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know. But our entire bias was correct this week, so let's get our bias correct this week. Do I think we will be all 5 days bearish again like this? Possibly not. We could, but we'll really just see what market gives us. The only like I said, the only probable day to trade would be Thursday if one wanted to trade unemployment claims. But since we're taking our swing trading approach, if we did even have our 200K account, we will not be trading at all this week. Yeah, no way. Just with the lack of probability, and the high impact news, waking up to just see, trade going your direction and the news reverses and stops you out is not something, you really want to see. So the only probable day to trade would be London session Wednesday into New York Thursday. That's it. Will I trade that day? I don't know. But we'll just see how everything goes. Apart from that, exhausted. It's everything. That really is. Price is just dropping. Nothing crazy going on. Still think we could take out these lows. Break weekly structure to the downside. I would love to see that targeting even this order block over here before possibly seeing a reaction or even retracing into this fair value gap. One of the two, but whatever the case is, we're still bearish. If we even go monthly, and just broke monthly structure to the downside right up here. So it's not really any debating. We are bearish. So we'll see how the month closes. We'll see how we do. And apart from that, that's all my technical analysis is for the week. I hope everyone has an amazing trading week. Even though it's just me watching these videos, it's 2:05 a.m. well past my bedtime. But, we gotta stay up. We gotta get to the grind. We gotta keep going. Cannot become stagnant. Cannot become lazy. And I really want to become stagnant and lazy. I feel like there's two parts of me. There's one side of me, which is that side of me that's always like, let's get work done, let's kill it. And then there's that other side of me that's like, bro, forget it. Oh my gosh, my calluses. I call it the demon of complacency. demon of complacency is always trying to hold you back from your true potential. But the question is, will you allow this demon to get a hold of you, or will you break out of the chains you're in? I'm not gonna end the video until I rip this callus. Oh my gosh. We're making it work. We're making it work. It's crazy to think in like however many years, it can be 2026, like everyone's gonna get old. And then eventually, like, we're all gonna pass. Like, it's kind of creepy to think about. Like, you guys know me. I'm a. Never mind. No, actually, yeah. I'm a Christian working on my faith. And even then, having this faith in Jesus, it's still kind of scary to think about death sometimes, you know? I just pray one day that, like, maybe my impact on YouTube will actually do something for the kingdom of heaven, kingdom of God, and be a benefit. You know? Because life isn't all about money. It's not. It's not. It really, really, really isn't. As much as we like, us as traders like to be like, oh, money, money, money. The reason why we do it is for our time. Like, yeah, sure, money, but we know the most valuable thing is our time. That's why we trade, you know? True, real traders. I'm not talking about the little geeks that are like, oh, let's make a quick buck. Like, no, like actual traders. Trade for our time back. Like, last week made my bread. This week don't even have to trade. So, keep the consistency. Kill the market. But I would advise, personally, my advice for me not to trade this week. So, yeah. But let's see how market plays out in my eyes. Let's see when we are correct, because most likely we will be. But anywho, apart from that, I love y'all. See y'all later. See y'all in the next video. Deuces.